Hi, third graders, and welcome to our sixth lesson on multiplication basics. Last week, we learned a bunch of different multiplication strategies. We learned all about how to draw arrays, we learned repeated addition, and we learned about equal groups. Today, you'll learn how to create equal groups to match repeated addition equations and multiplication equations. Let's review. What are equal groups? Remember that equal groups are groups that have the same amount or value and can be expressed as repeated addition. Here we have 1, 2, 3 groups of 4. The repeated addition sentence would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Multiplication equation would be 3 groups of 4 equals 12. How do we express equal groups as a multiplication equation? Remember that all we have to do is count to see how many groups we have. That's your first factor. So here we have 1, 2, 3 groups of 9 because there are 9 in each group. Remember, these are factors and our answer is called a product. We can find that answer by doing repeated addition. So we could add 9 plus 9 plus 9. We could also count to see how many pieces are in all, or we could draw an array. So what you guys are going to be doing today is creating equal groups to match the multiplication equation. So you'll get a multiplication equation kind of like this, 2 groups of 5. And so you'll have to make 2 groups and put 5 in each group and find that total. Here's how we create equal groups to match the repeated addition equations. You might have a repeated addition equation that looks similar to this, 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we would make 3 groups because we have 1, 2, 3 groups of 2s. All right, I'm going to do some practice. So let's say that we have 5 groups of 1. So I would draw 5 groups. So here's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups. And I need 5 groups of 1. So in each group, I'll add 1. And in all, we have 5. 5 groups of 1. See how I made those equal groups? All right, we're going to try the next one together, multiplication equation. So if you have a whiteboard or a marker, please get that out and have it ready. All right, we're going to do 3 groups of 4. So put that multiplication equation on your whiteboard, 3 groups of 4. So the first factor stands for how many groups we have. So let's make 3 groups. The second factor stands for how many are in each group. So let's put 4 in each group. All right, we can find our total by counting. I'm going to count by 4s. So I have 4, 8, 12. So 3 groups of 4 equals 12. Great job, guys. Go ahead and erase your board and get ready for our next practice problem. All right, let's do another one. We're going to do 7 plus 7 plus 7, a repeated addition equation. So what I'm going to do is think to myself, how many groups of what do I have? So let's count. I have 1, 2, 3 groups. So I'm going to draw 3 groups. And I have 3 groups of 7. So in each group, I'm going to make 7. There's 7 in that first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in my second group. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in my third group. I'm going to go ahead and add. 7 plus 7 is 14. Bring down that other 7. Plus 7 equals 21. So 3 groups of 7 equals 21. All right, guys, I hope that this lesson helped teach you how to draw equal groups to represent a multiplication equation or a repeated addition equation, and that you guys have some fun with today's practice. I'll see you next time.